So, welcome back. Ian is going to take us on a all-access visit to the church bells with permission. So, come in, dude. This is something that I have wanted to do for years. The amount of times I've pestered Ian and asked him if I could come and explore St Thomas's Church of Kidsgrove. Well, today we're getting up to the top of there, right at the top. So before we start, I just want to say a huge thank you to Ian for allowing me to go up here, and Harold for taking me up here safely. We'll meet Harold in a minute. So in store for you today, we've got the church bells. We show you the organ, and Ian has a little plays a bit of Led Zeppelin on it. You're not going to want to miss that, so make sure you stick around to the end. One thing I really wasn't expecting was there to be 8 ropes. When I first walked in, I was like, why so many? From the outside, you would never believe there was 8 bells up here. Yeah.
Do you want me to bring one for you?
Yeah, if we get it. Just remember that Harold's up there still.
Oh, I can't do that.
We're deaf in Harold, but we'll go up now and I'll show you what's up there. So we've got the first ladder. This takes us to a bit here. So from here, you can see that's what we've just been looking at outside. Clock face, this is what's the other side of it. So this little box that I'm about to show you now, pay attention later on in the video and I will explain what it is for, but for now, let's see in the comments who can guess what this is for. It goes right to the top. I will tell you in a minute. I will probably do another video of this place, only for the reason is I want to put a video on of the people, or shall we say the bell ringers, actually ringing the bells. So we've got the first bell here. Like I say, there's 8 bells in this place. Crazy, so we'll go for a little adventure. If you're wondering what the bell looks like inside, it's crazy. Harold told me a story about how he used to climb underneath here when he was a little boy. So, Dean Explorer style, I went and climbed underneath all the bells. So sorry about any of the footage, there is really no room in here at all. But I did my best. And this is what I got. Here we go, there's some more logos on these bells. There's some more logos on these bells, this one. This one says Church Wardens 1931. I wonder if I can go around to the other side.
Maybe it's recorded downstairs, I don't know. And the plaque recorded the lace, but whether it records the inscriptions, I don't know.
I'll see if I can get a picture of it just. There we go. Right.
Has he even got it now?
He's waiting on the bottom for us, I think. On this video, they really do not look that big, so I thought I'd give you a different perspective on how big they actually are.
So, I'm inside the church bell. So at the back, now we can see loads of bells. So here we go, we're at the back now. So we're currently stood in the middle of all 8 church bells. Big one across there. These 2 here. One behind me. One right above my head. And there should be 2 above my head. Yep, there's another one just there. But this is crazy. I wonder if I can get the bells to ring. Give me a minute, guys, and I'll see if I can do it. Let's go for a walk round, show you the bells around here. I want to show you that bell there. That's my reason for climbing. Oh. Yeah, forgive me for the shakiness because I'm a bit but the reason I'll climb up here is because I want to show you this bell.
So on this bell, it reads, "This bell was given by the Bircham Wood Gas and Coke Company of Kidsgrove in 1962. I'll put a picture on the screen now, it's a bit more clearer than this video. If you have any info, comment below. Now, at the start of the video, I asked you what this pipe was for. It's simply just so that the bells amplify down to the bell ringers so that they know they're playing the right notes. That is literally all it's for, but it plays an important role. I think that's enough of the bells for now. If you want any of the information off these signs, just pause the video. I think we should go take a look around the church and watch Ian play Led Zeppelin on the organ. Not before I have a go with the bells first though. So of course, before we hear Led Zeppelin, let's learn a bit about the organ he's going to be playing first.
So each pipe, they're just decorative, but inside there are thousands and thousands of pipes, like individual recorders.
Yeah.
So each one has an individual note. And on here, these are called stops. And each one is like a flute. It's going to sound like a flute. Okay, whereas clarinet's going to sound more like clarinet.
Oh yeah.
Hear the difference, okay? So then you can put them both together. So they're both playing at the same time. And you can pull them all out. See, I can't play. It's got 3 keyboards. So this side, that's called the great organ. This goes called the swell. So there's 2 different keyboards. It's got like an accelerator down there, which is like a volume control. So physically, there's just a board shutting up and opening up, like that. Then there's the 3rd keyboard on the floor. Here we go.
So as always, I completely forgot to do an outro. It wouldn't be me if I didn't forget to do one. Again, a huge thank you to Ian for allowing me this visit today, and a big thank you to Harold for taking me up there and making sure I was safe. I would like to try and do a part 2 on this video, because I would like to see the bells all in action, but I need to make a few emails and inquiries first. So if that's something that you want to see, like this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, because then when I upload the next video, you'll be notified. As always guys, stay safe and happy 2025!